We are doing this installation of machine. This machine produces women parts. Yes, this session the raw material is coming here. We are doing the coupling. You see, we are doing the coupling. Uh, these are roller. So in this machine, if you want to bring the principle in this machine, you need to know the principle. What are the principle of this machine? It's using hair system. It's using a power and hydraulic system. So I'm going to show you. These are the buttons. So these are where the raw materials is going through, and these are the conveyor belts. So come. Each of these boxes is being set and programmed. That is to give you a work with the conveyor belt and the X system. All these rollers, all these are rollers. This is the control panel. So we are at almost the end products for the my parts. These are the end products. This is the cutter. This is what cuts the machine. So we are going to start the installation. Now control the rollers. Need to be programmed the speeds. That control also the power module. Come with me. These are the pulley system that drive the conveyor belt and the roller. Likewise, these are also timers. Likewise, the PLC that also control all the belts. So we have a head system. These are cylinders. You see, these are cylinders. It's being controlled by air system. You see, it's being controlled by air system. It's controlled by air system with the pulling, and there's also electric motor attached to it. So these are electric motor that also control the pulley system with air system. So let's go to the back machine. This box is controlled by air system. It is to pick each into the vacuum. There's a vacuum here. There's one vacuum machine here. Controlled by this motor. At the end of this installation, they are going to put air compressor attached to this place here. Okay. This machine is used to produce baby pampers of different of different sizes of baby pampers. You can see these are the raw material. So you can see everything is being controlled by electric motor, hair system, and hydraulic system. Also with water, you also use water. So you can see everything is being controlled by PLC. It's being programmed. So we are going to be showing you step by step how we are going to install this equipment, and also show you how to operate this machine. We are going to put it on our page. Follow us on our page, and you have skills on how to operate machines, learn how to operate equipment. So these are These are solo valves. You can see this also cuts this when you get to this stage. Okay, come back. I'm going to show you something that applies gum. So the baby pump house. Okay, you can see this. This is almost a finished product. So we are going to readdress this issue. You can see this is it. So we are going to show you how to operate this machine step by step. Follow us on our page, and if you have any issue, maybe